Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at ChicnScratch, and this is what we're making today. And this is week 7 of the 12 weeks of Halloween. And this is a diaper fold treat pouch. Our bundle focus today is tricks and treats. And so this is the stamp set and the dies. Okay, so let's start out with our supplies. All the measurements will be on your free PDF that's over on my website. We're going to start out with our stamping. Now, this is a photopolymer stamp set, so we want to use our stamping mat. I'm going to start with Frankie. And I'm actually going to turn this image upside down to ink it up. Sometimes I feel like I get more ink on there when I turn it upside down. Okay, there's him. We'll set this aside for a second, and then we'll stamp the greeting. This greeting is in the same stamp set, so just one stamp set today. Now, from the dies that we're using, which I said is the tricks and treats, it actually has this treat bag holder too. We're going to be using the Frankie and then this little greeting tag. But I've gone ahead and done that in advance. I have lots of videos on die cutting, so pretty simple. If you've never die cut, let me know. But you basically just place this on top of here and run it through your machine, okay? I'm going to use the 2-inch circle. Let's see, which one is that? This one. So I'm going to use the 2-inch circle on my basic white. And I'm going to use my 2 3/8 on this adhesive backed glimmer paper. So we've got all of our elements here. So now we're ready to make our pouch. So step 1 is we are going to fold this up to the point to make this triangle. Okay, pretty simple. And I'm changing this up a bit because I used the hearts and lines on this one, and this time we're using this paper. So step number 2 is you're going to bring this down, fold it about 1/2 inch, give or take, like that, okay? So that's step 2. Step 3 is you're going to take your right corner and bring it over here. I will tell you, using your bone folder on each step makes making this pouch a whole lot easier, okay? So burnish with your bone folder. So again, I'm going to fold this under here, but we're not going to go all the way to the edge. We're just going to take it so that it folds over here on this side, kind of like that angle. You know what I mean? I'm just lining it up. So you don't have to say 1/2 inch or whatever. Just fold it so that it lines up with this edge. And then now step 4, well, let's use our bone folder because like I said, that helps. Now we're going to fold this side over and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to take it until we're lined up over here. So it looks like approximately 1/2 inch. I'm just going to take a little bit of my Stampin' Seal Plus and just roll that across and fold it down. And so now we have our little pouch. I've also done in the past, this is a really cute idea, is punch a hole right here and you can tie a string on it and you can hang these on the Christmas tree. I know this is a Halloween project and I'm talking about Christmas, but you can make this hang on your Christmas tree and have a little treat in here, okay? So now we're going to add this adhesive backed glimmer paper, and I will tell you, this paper is probably one of the easiest backings to remove. I always say a lot of times that it's really not easy to get that backing off, but for this product, it is. Okay, so now for this one, I'm just going to attach that with my Stampin' Seal, and if this doesn't hold for you, you can also use liquid glue. Okay, he's going to get popped up. I'm going to use my black Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm actually going to use 2. Okay. That looks good. And then now for the greeting, we're just going to slide that under there like that, and we're going to add a dimensional onto the back. And so I'm going to use my mini dimensionals. Put that on the back. And then slide that under like that. And then the final step is adding the little bow. Now the little Dracula is made exactly the same way. That's in the same stamp set. Here he is right here. So really cute, right? Okay, so let's tie our bow. This is the Parakeet Party. So this was Lemon Lime Twist, but you know, these greens, they all kind of coordinate together. This ribbon is so thin, I'm having a hard time holding on to it. Okay, a little bit smaller. Okay, so now we're just going to take a glue dot and add this right under his chin. I've got that here, and what I'm going to do is pick up the glue dot, wad it up, place it right there, and then add my ribbon. Sometimes I accidentally untie the bow when I'm adding something this small. Okay, and then just open it up, slide your Kit Kat in there. Isn't that so cute? Okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the free PDF with all the measurements is over on my website. Thanks so much. Have a great day.